Hey y'all, welcome to my channel or welcome back. If you are new here, thank you so much for joining us. If you are returning, you already know it. You are fabulous. All right, so today's video, this is episode 67 of our 365-day daily devotionals. This is the daily devotional called Jesus Calling. It is by Sarah Young, and it's absolutely fantastic. I say that every time, but I really don't know any other way to describe it. It's just such a great devotional. If you've missed any of the previous episodes, there is a playlist in the description box. And if you're wondering why I'm doing daily devotionals instead of my DIYs, I'll have a couple videos in the description box that'll get you kind of caught back up to date with that too. All right, let's jump in. Okay, number 67. Let me give you all the verses. Excuse the paint on my hand. I've actually been doing some DIYs today, so I got a little bit of paint on my fingers. Anyways, I like to give you all these verses. That way you've got them throughout the day. You can just see, go back and see how the Lord uses these verses throughout your day. All right. Let me help you through this day. The challenges you face are far too great for you to handle alone. You are keenly aware of your helplessness in the scheme of events you face. This awareness opens up a choice to doggedly go it alone or to walk with me in humble steps of dependence. Actually, this choice is continually before you, but difficulties highlight the decision-making process. So consider it all joy whenever you are enveloped in various trials. These are gifts from me, reminding you to rely on me alone. Consider it all joy whenever you are enveloped in various trials. These are gifts from me. Think about that for a minute. Maybe what you're going through is actually a gift from the Lord. You may not see it that way, but the closer you get to God, the more you will be able to see that. Now, I'm not saying everything that happens, the Lord does to us to show us that we need Him. I don't mean that everything that happens is that. That's not the way I mean it. I'm just saying that there are some things that happen in life that look like troubles, but they're actually gifts from God. The closer your relationship is with God, the more you'll be able to see that. And just like yesterday, we talked about asking for discernment. Ask the Lord to teach you the lessons that He wants you to learn in your trials. Ask the Lord to bless you through your problems. And He will. I promise you that. I, of all people, should know. I've had some really crappy things happen to me in the last couple of months. But you know what? God is good all the time. And all the time, God is good. No matter what you're going through, the Lord can change it for you. He'll either change your situation or change the way that you look at it. All right, let's do the verses. God is our refuge and strength, an ever-present help in trouble. Psalms 46:1. Because you are my help, I sing in the shadow of my wings. My soul clings to you. Your right hand upholds me. Psalm 63:7 and 8. Consider it wholly joyful, my brethren, whenever you are enveloped in or encounter trials of any sort, or fall into various temptations. Be assured and understand that the trial and proving of your faith bring out endurance and steadfastness and patience. James 1, 2, and 3. Did you hear the last part of that? Listen to that very carefully. And now this is from the Amplified version, so there are a couple extra words in this actual verse, more than what's in the like King James version. But to me, this is a better version of this verse because you can kind of understand it better. But anyways, that's besides the point. I want you guys to hear this. Be assured and understand that the trial and proving of your faith bring about endurance, steadfastness, and patience. There's so much to learn from the trials and temptations that we go through. There's so much to learn. Open your mind to that. Open your heart to that. I think you would be surprised at the way your problems seem to kind of diminish. All right, if you guys have enjoyed, I hit the camera, sorry. If you guys have enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. It definitely does help my channel. Don't forget to share this with your friends and family and subscribe. That would be awesome. Plus hit that notification bell so that you will know each time I upload a new video. All right, guys, thank you so much for being with me today, and y'all have a blessed day.